Hey, this is Chad Portnoy. Today I'm going to show you how to write SEO optimized articles in any niche with new ChatGPT article generator software, okay? We're also going to use a free keyword research tool that you're going to be able to use. Like I said, at the end of this video, I'll put the links in the description that you can click on that to get the software and to get the access to the free keyword research tool, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to use ChatGPT, and I'm going to use the plus version, but you can use the free version if you want. So once you have the software, okay, and like I said, at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get it, and there'll be a link in the description below for, like I said, the software and the free keyword research tool. So I'm going to go to the free keyword research tool. I'm just going to paste in the topic, niche websites. So we just click this button right here, and it's going to give us keywords, okay? So we just wait here just a second. All right, so now it's finding keywords here for us. And then I'm just going to stop it here in just a sec, and we're just going to stop right here, and I'm just going to select all, and what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and I'm going to click on the software right here. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that in there. Okay, now I'm going to put right here niche websites, because that's the main topic that we were talking about today. All right, whoops. All right, and I have these pasted in here. Now I want basically 1,500 word articles. So then what we do is we come over here, and we decide which thing we want to talk about, which keyword phrase we want to talk about. So I'm going to go, let's see, niche website ideas. So we're going to click on, we're going to go like this right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click article prompts for the keywords. Okay, so this is going to take all these keywords here, and it's going to make prompts right over here. So I'm going to go right over here. I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to click on this one right here, like we said, niche website ideas. So now it has the prompt right here. Now I'm going to click this link right here, this button. And right there, we've got the prompt. Now what we do is we just come over to ChatGPT. I'm using the plus version of ChatGPT. You can use the free version. We just paste it right in here. And if you notice, it has the 1,500 words right here that it wants to do. The main topic is niche websites, and we're focusing on exploring niche website ideas. Okay, so it knows exactly what to do. It knows to write this article SEO optimized. It knows how to make a closing, okay, the summary. And wait until you see how fast this is. And like I said, you can get access to this ChatGPT article generator software that is brand new, okay? Plus, you're going to get resale rights, so you can actually make money with this, okay? So now we just click enter right here, and you're going to see ChatGPT go right now, and it's going to write a full article that's SEO optimized, super fast, and you're going to be able to take this and put it right on your website and start ranking on first page of Google with these articles. It is insane how well it writes these articles with the prompts with our new ChatGPT article generator software, okay? So look how fast it's writing it right here. All right, just scroll down here. It's writing the information. You can see how fast this is. You couldn't write an article this fast, and it's writing it in such detail, like I said, because our prompts tell exactly what to do and write it in a certain way that's SEO optimized to rank on first page of Google, and to also make sure it keeps the reader involved and wanting to keep reading more. So look at that nice article it just wrote, okay? Now, if you ask ChatGPT just to go do this article right now, it wouldn't write it like this, okay? So if you want to get access to this free keyword research tool and get access to this ChatGPT article writer software, okay, then what you need to do is click the link below this video, and it will take you right here, okay? You will get exclusive rights, resale rights to this software, and you can sell it whatever you want, okay? So here it is right here. I'm giving you a discount right now. This normally sells for $147, but I'm also giving you $10 off. But we're not going to charge $147. We're going to charge you only $27, okay? Plus, we're giving you $10 off. So you're going to get resale rights to this that you can actually start making money today, but you're only going to pay $17, okay? Not sure how I'm going to keep the price this low right here, because like I said, this software, just as I showed you, is so powerful to write SEO optimized articles for you in any niche that you want, okay? So take action today. Click the button right here, enter the promo code, and save $10 today and get this for $17, okay? Thank you so much. Make sure once you click on the link below this video that you check out the whole page to learn more about the software. But like I said, I've pretty much shown you what it does. It's so powerful. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.